Hello, this is Kradat. Welcome to the second part of the user guide tutorials. In this video, I'm going to talk about the different operations that can be performed to manipulate patient information. This diary system is designed in a way in which user can have access to patient information by two different methods. The first method is by clicking on the Patients tab in the menu bar. This action will redirect the user to the main Patients page. The second method is by clicking on the icons. These icons provide quick and instant access to different pages of this diary. The first icon is patient details. On click of this link, uh, the system will redirect the user to the main patients page. As we can see here, this is the main patients page. User can perform different operations such as user can delete a patient from database, user can edit patient details, user can also add a new patient. In order to delete a patient from database, user will require to provide D or J number. D or J number is the unique number that is generated by the system. D or J number holds patient details like patient's name, gender, date of birth, postal code, address, city, etc. So in order to delete all these details from the database, user will be required to enter D or J number. Any value other than D or J number entered in this field will result into an error. I'm going to demonstrate this by entering a false value in this field. Suppose I have entered this value, and when I'll hit submit button, it will give me error. This error message says that no patient with this number exists in the database. So and I'll be required to enter a correct DLJ number in order to delete a patient from my database. For example, if I want to delete the patient cuckoo from my database, in that case I will make a note of this DLJ number and I will put the DLJ number in this field and click submit button. The I will I'll get this message, that is patient details were deleted successfully. And now we can see that cuckoo, the patient cuckoo has been removed from the database. This was the procedure for deleting patient from the database. Now for an instance, if I want to search details for existing patients, I can do that by using filter options. These are the four filter options: D or J number, name of the patient, group, and date of birth. I can use this filter options to search for a patient. For example, if I want to search for a patient by name John, then I can simply do that by writing the first name in the name field. As as we can see here, that after writing the name of the patient, the particular details for that specific patient has been displayed. User can also edit all the details. If suppose user wants to change the city from Darlington to Stockton, then user can simply do that by double clicking on the field and making changes. Once the changes have been made, user is required to press enter and click on update button to save the changes. Now we can see that Darlington has been changed to Stockton. So far I have explained about deleting a patient and editing and updating existing patient details. Now I'm going to explain how to add new patient to the database. For adding new patients, user needs to click on the add patient button, that is here. By clicking on this button, new patient form will appear. In this, user will require to enter all the fields, all the data regarding the patient. For example, username, gender. The date of birth should be in year, month, and date format. That is year, month, and date format. Zip code, address. Address field can be anything. It can be numeric as well, and text also. After all the details has been entered, to add these details in database, user will require to click on the button Add Patient. Now we can see the changes in the records. We can see that this patient Kratat has been added to the database. So in this was all about adding new patients to the database. Uh, to get familiar with other functionalities of the system, please refer to my other tutorials. Thank you very much for watching this video.